Welcome to the South Carolina Preservation Toolkit. This video will show you how to find information if you come to the toolkit with the question, I want to find a public historian to help me with my project. So we would first go under Tools, and we would look at our Preservation Experts database. If you scroll down to the search bar here, you'll see that you can search by category, you can search by area of expertise, and you can also search by home region. If you wanted to find specifically a public historian or another type of expert to help you, you could scroll through this expert category. You could scroll down here to public historian and choose sort list. Then you could scroll through the list of folks that we have signed up for the Preservation Experts database, and you can look at their individual records. So for example, if we clicked into one of these records, we would find out a little bit more about this expert. We'd find out the information they submitted about their bio and what types of work they do, what kind of professional categories they are considered a professional in. If they have submitted their CV, you'll see that linked here. You might also see their LinkedIn profile if they've chosen to submit that. And then at the top, you can click email this expert and get in touch with them that way. If we go back up to the top and reset the search bar, you can also search for folks in a specific area of expertise. So if you may not know exactly what type of expert you need, but you know that you need someone who knows a lot about cemeteries or churches, for example, you can click that here. Thanks so much for tuning in.